Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about how you can earn money through a side gig or as a freelancer or by working remotely. I think Instagram पे सबसे ज़्यादा सवाल जो में आता है उसमें से ये टॉप में होगा, स्पेशली फ्रॉम विमेन के आई एम ईदर स्टूडेंट एंड आई वांट टू अर्न थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा, या मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ, मेरे बच्चे छोटे हैं, मैं किसी वजह से घर से बाहर काम नहीं कर सकती. हाउ कैन आई मेक अ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू माई हाउस होल्ड इनकम? And I thought, based on my experience and the lessons I have learned, I would just share some basic rules with you guys on how you can also earn money as a freelancer. So सबसे पहली चीज़ जो आपको करनी है is you have to identify that skill that you have or that interest that you have that you can monetize. Unfortunately दुनिया में हर चीज़ करने का आपको पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे. I know there are some dream jobs, हम कभी कभी इंटरनेट पे देखते हैं that you can get paid to be a mattress tester and just sleep on a mattress, or you know, NASA will pay you to do this and that. But the reality is that in most cases a lot of things that we enjoy doing you cannot get paid for. But कभी ना कभी कोई छोटी मोटी आपकी interest या hobby ऐसी होगी that is something you can get paid for. For example, even as a child I really enjoyed writing. I used to send in essays to children's magazines. मैं स्कूल में बहुत essays competition में part लेती थी. So I knew that that is a skill that I have. Similarly, you can be interested in art, you can be very good at math, you can be a very good singer, that you can be interested in graphic design, you can be an illustrator or interested in illustrating. There's so many things, especially with social media. I think इतना खुल गया है. Like I know women now जो अपनी knitting के businesses करती हैं. I know people now जो recycled चीज़ों के businesses करते हैं. So now I think the sky is the limit. Anything that you think can be monetized, you can start doing. अब जब आपने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है कि क्या स्किल है आपके पास जो आपने यूटिलाइज करना है, देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू एक्चुअली टू जस्ट गेट सम काइंड ऑफ सर्टिफिकेशन इन दैट फील्ड. Back in 2010, I think, when I started content writing, Coursera was really big, so I did a couple of courses on Coursera. उसमें ये होता है कि आपको end पे एक certificate भी मिलता है, and that really tells the people who will be paying you, your employer or your clients or customers, कि आपको ना सिर्फ ये चीज़ आपका passion है बल्कि आप इसमें वाकई skilled भी हैं. Similarly, if you're a makeup artist, I would suggest कि आप सबसे पहले तो YouTube से सीखें, लेकिन उसके बाद अगर आप certification भी लेंगे, that helps people take you more seriously. While you're polishing your skills and acquiring these certifications, it's also a good idea to talk to other people in this field. For example, if you're a makeup artist, follow other makeup artists on YouTube, on Instagram, whatever your platform is. If you're a content writer, find out who else around you is a content writer. इस तरह ये होता है कि एक तो you build a network of people and they can potentially refer you to clients or customers. But the other thing that happens is you can go to them with questions. So if you have a question कि मेरा starting rate क्या होना चाहिए, off the top of your head you may or may not know that. But if you ask someone who's been in the industry for a year or two, they might be able to give you better advice. The other thing you have to do is research on the best platform for your skill. Now I see so many people who are content writers or who want to be content writers, but they have no idea where to start, and they always say, where can we start? All you have to do is go on Google and just look for platforms. There are so many in Pakistan. The one that I used for a very long time was called Upwork. It's an international platform, so you can have clients from all over the world, and same goes for any other skill, for graphic design, filmmaking, animation, everything that can be done online, वो आप Upwork के through कर सकते हैं. और बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं. For example, if you enjoy cooking, so you have to find out क्या मेरे लिए best platform Instagram होगा, क्या मेरे लिए best platform Facebook होगा, क्या मुझे YouTube पे videos बनानी चाहिए, क्या मुझे फूड पांडा पे एज अ होम शेफ ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. सो ये रिसर्च आप ऑनलाइन भी करें, एंड ऑल्सो बाय टॉकिंग टू अदर पीपल अराउंड यू. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग आई वुड से इन ऑल ऑफ दिस इज कंसिस्टेंसी. I can speak from my own experience. It sometimes takes you 1 day to land a gig, and sometimes it takes you 10 days, it takes you 20 days, it takes you a month to even find one content writing job. The key is to just remain consistent. Again, based on my experience with Upwork, what you have to do is send in proposals for gigs. एंड कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि आपको 3 जगह से रिजेक्शन आती है, आप डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं कि यार चलो मुझे नहीं करना, बट ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो चौथी जो एप्लीकेशन है वो सक्सेसफुल हो जाए एंड यू जस्ट डिडंट डू इट बिकॉज यू गेव अप. So I would really suggest, and I know so many people who also start their small businesses, they do it for 2-3 months and उनको अच्छा response नहीं मिलता, or they feel they're not getting the orders that they had thought they would get, and then they just say okay, we're gonna close shop, we will do something else. But you have to remember that it's okay to start small, and it's okay अगर शुरू में आपको एक ऑर्डर आता है, फिर अगला पूरा हफ्ता या एक महीना ऑर्डर नहीं आता, बट वो एक ऑर्डर इस चीज़ की इंडिकेशन है दैट देयर इज़ अ मार्केट आउट देयर फॉर व्हाटएवर इट इज़ दैट यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग और मेकिंग. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ टू लोअर योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. we've all heard of people who make thousands of dollars as freelance content writers. At least मैंने बहुत सुनी है ये कहानियाँ. I have never made thousands of dollars as a freelance content writer. I've always made some amount of money which has been enough for the kind of work that I did, but I don't think this should be anyone's get rich scheme, because the point is to supplement your own or your household's income. So for example, if today you're not doing anything, आप कोई courses करते हैं in graphic design or digital illustrations, and then you go on Upwork, you start getting clients, and even if you're making $200-300 a month initially, that gives you a starting point, and then from that point on, depending on where life takes you, you can make more money. But don't think okay, just because I'm making $50 और $100, मैं डॉलर्स इसलिए बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज अपवर्क में करेंसी डॉलर्स होती है. अगर आपका प्लेटफॉर्म कोई डिफरेंट है तो ऑब्वियसली उस पर डिफरेंट करेंसी होगी. बट इफ़ यू मेकिंग अमाउंट जो आपकी नज़र में बहुत छोटी है, डोंट गेट डिसहार्टन कि मुझे तो ये काम करना ही नहीं है बिकॉज आई एम नॉट मेकिंग द काइंड ऑफ मनी आई थॉट आई वुड मेक. वॉट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ यू आर मेकिंग मोर देन वॉट यू आर मेकिंग इन द पास्ट, विच वॉज नो मनी, एंड this is a start. The final point I have is to actually do your job very well. By doing your job very well, there are two aspects to it. एक तो ये कि आपका जो स्किल है वो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अगर आप उसको हर वक्त बेहतर से बेहतर करते रहें. But the other thing is, at this point when you are a service provider, you also have to be very good at the people management aspect of it. So sometimes you will have clients who are not happy with the work you've done. They can send in their concerns, you can send them another draft, you know, do it until they're happy. And what that does is, if that client is happy, they will come back to you. Even if they don't come back to you, they will tell their friend or their colleague, okay, I worked with this person, I had a good experience, why don't you try them out? So many times now I get approached by people जिनको किसी ने मेरा रेफरेंस दिया होता है कि 2 years ago, 3 years ago we worked with this girl, and I think that is the most important testament to your skill and also your ability to deal with clients effectively. As a freelancer, I think I will do a whole video on this because sometimes you can have really difficult clients. And my final thing is, the best time to start anything is now. So if you've been thinking 1 साल से 2 साल से कि मैं कैसे अपनी इनकम को सप्लीमेंट करूँ या मैं कैसे फैमिली की तरफ थोड़ा सा मॉनेटरली कंट्रीब्यूट करूँ, you need to stop thinking and make a decision now कि मुझे क्या करना है, और उसके बाद make a plan for yourself मुझे कैसे करना है, and give yourself time. You might fail initially, you might not get the response you expected, your family or friends even might not support you, so give yourself time to deal with all of those things, but tell yourself that if I stick to it, if I do it consistently, I can do anything I want. I hope this video was useful for you guys, and I'm gonna see you next time.